The road was calling us. I mean, it was just what we needed. I was so excited to get a weekend away with Arjun. What I was really excited about also was the drive there. You know, I mean, eating at local dhabas and listening to music, singing in the car. It was going to be awesome. No work, no stress, just us. It almost seemed too good to be true. And it was. Sometimes all it takes is one moment for everything to change. We got on NH10 and there was no looking back.
Thanks for coming. Brilliant. Now, the leading lady and of course the producer, Anushka Sharma urf Meera, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, thanks for coming.
The leading man of the movie, Mr. Neil Bhupalam. Please, zordar taaliyan. And now, the producers of the movie. We'll start with Miss Krishika Lulla. Zordar taaliyan ho jaiye, please. Mr. Vikramaditya Motwane, who's a superb director also. Mr. Vikas Behel, another superb filmmaker. I'll go niche. Mr. Karnesh Sharma, zordar taaliyan, come on, yeah. Taaliyan rukni nahi chahiye. And Mr. Madhu Montana, last but not the least, presenting the entire cast and crew of the movie NH10. Anushka, this one's for you. इससे पहले कि जो हमारे मित्र लोग हैं यहाँ आपसे सवाल पूछें. As an actor, you were superb इसमें. बहुत सारी मेहनत दिख रहा है कि गई है. बहुत कड़ी मेहनत. As a producer, back end में कितना गया और what was more difficult? Anushka Sharma, the producer, or the actor?
Honestly, मैं differentiate नहीं कर पाऊंगी because ये जैसी फिल्म ये है, उसमें जो fact that I want to be involved with the film maximum and completely be a part of it 100% was the reason behind deciding to be a producer on a film like this, a content-driven film like this, and it gives me a lot of happiness that I could have done that through a film like this. I mean, it's a real blessing. So I can't differentiate कब क्या. मेरे को तो लगा था मैं बस काम कर रही हूँ, पूरी मजे में काम कर रही हूँ. Yes, but when I started shooting the film, I wanted to kind of, at that moment I couldn't be thinking about it, but that didn't have to. We had some wonderful co-producers, all of them. So they said, so मैं काम कर रहा हूँ.
Neil wants to add something.
Yeah, I think this is the only film that has a bigger set of producers than the number of cast.
Right. और इससे मुझे याद आया, आपसे जो सवाल है मेरा वो ये है कि दो फीमेल प्रोड्यूसर्स, ऐसा मतलब कितना परेशान किया आपको इन लोगों ने? किया थोड़ा बहुत?
Yeah, there was a fair amount of sharing of seats.
Can we come in?
No. But the only thing in my opinion is that when there's so many minds, so many creative minds also involved, then decision making sometimes takes a little longer. But fortunately, I was no decision maker. I just had to take instructions from Navdeep, so it was great.
नवदीप साहब, मेरे को ब्रेक करने को बोला है. नवदीप साहब, आप मुझे बताएं, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्रेव अटेम्प्ट है ये एकदम यहाँ पे, और नारी शक्ति की लोग बहुत सारी बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. सो इज इट ओनली अबाउट नारी शक्ति जो अनुष्का दिखाएंगी वहाँ पे?
नहीं, not at all. I think it's about any human being, whether it's a man or a woman or a child or anything. It's about resilience in a person.
नारी शक्ति वुमन सेंट्रिक फिल्म है, ऐसा कुछ था?
No, exactly what Navdeep said. It's not exactly for women. It can happen to anyone in our life, which when we go through such situation. So I would say, like, I have explored a lot of other films. I've never explored this thriller. I've done rom-coms, I've done spice of life, animation.
Right.
But this is something which had a lot of honesty, realistic, and which I felt I had to make this movie.
Superb. The trailer is amazing. एक आखिरी सवाल, दोनों यहाँ पे जो फिल्म मेकर्स हैं हमारे, मिस्टर मोटवाने एंड ऑफ कोर्स मिस्टर बहल, आप दोनों का बीच में कभी मन किया कि यार हम लोग डायरेक्ट कर लेते हैं, मतलब बीइंग द प्रोड्यूसर, है ना? अभी हो गया, हम लोग को भी मौका मिलना चाहिए.
ये जो नवदीप ने बनाया है हमारे बस का ही नहीं है. He's done a fab job, so I don't think we could have made this film without him. बट हाँ वो कुछ 5 टेक्स हैं जो मैं सोच रहा था.
विक्रम, आपको था कुछ ऐसा?
The first time I read the script, मतलब the immediate reaction, I mean, when you like a script a lot, लगता है ना कि यार ये मैं ही कर दूँ, मतलब always you feel that. But I think it was a fantastic script writer. Sudeep Sharma was the writer, was actually not here today. He's the reason probably that we all here in the first place. It's a fantastic screenplay. We loved it the moment we read it. सर यार ये पिक्चर करनी है. जर्नी काफी थी, करते करते 2 साल लग गए थे बनाते, बट वी लव द फिल्म.
यहाँ देख के आप सबको हैप्पी जर्नी वाली फीलिंग आ रही है, तो सबको यहाँ हैप्पी कर देते हैं. इट्स ओवर टू द मीडिया. आप लोग के मन में भी बहुत सारे सवाल होंगे. सवाल, वाह, साउंड्स कूल. या
पर एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है आपसे कि आपने फिल्म का जो टाइटल एनस्टैनी क्यों रखा? क्योंकि आपने मतलब मीडिया और सर्कल में अपने सबको तो एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे, लेकिन जो आम ऑडियंस होती है वो उनको समझने में ही, आपका टाइटल समझने में टाइम जाएगा.
उसके लिए आप है ना.
नहीं तो हमारे पास सारी ऑडियंस थोड़ी ना आएगी ना.
अभी हमने फिल्म बना लिया. अभी हमने आपको दिखा दिया. अब आप प्लीज अपना काम कीजिए हमारे साथ.
Explain to everyone, National Highway 10.
अनुष्का, जब पहली फिल्म होती है, जिस तरीके से आपका कैरियर ग्राफ चल रहा है, तो इस समय प्रोड्यूसर बनना एक ऐसी फिल्म के लिए बहुत सोचना पड़ता है कि फिल्म रोमांटिक हो या इस तरह की हो. इसमें आपने बिकनी भी पहनी है, सीन्स भी है, लॉ सीन्स भी हैं, डरा भी रही हैं आप. तो कितना सोचना पड़ा था और कि इस स्क्रिप्ट में क्या ऐसा खास?
नहीं, बिकनी तो नहीं पहनी वैसे, वो वन पीस सूट बोलते हैं उसे आप. हाँ, नी को पहनाई है हमने बिकनी. नो, जस्ट किडिंग. देखिए, मैंने आज तक ऐसी फिल्में करने की कोशिश करी है, इवन एज एन एक्टर, जो मुझे लगता है कि मैं पिक्चरें करना चाहती हूँ, अच्छी स्टोरीज में काम करना चाहती हूँ, अच्छे डायरेक्टर्स के साथ काम करना चाहती हूँ. तो आई डोंट थिंक ये मेरा फॉर्मेट चेंज होगा इफ आई वांट टू डू एनीथिंग एल्स एंड बी इन्वॉल्व इन मूवीज इन एनी अदर वे एज अ प्रोड्यूसर इन दिस केस. तो अच्छी कहानी है, अच्छी कहानी से जुड़ना है, अच्छी कहानी लोगों को दिखानी है. दैट्स माई आइडिया, दैट्स द वे आई वॉन्ट माई करियर टू गो. सो ऐसी चीज़ें कि गाने होने चाहिए, ये होने चाहिए, ये ऐसी फिल्म में डजंट फिट. एंड हम फालतू में कुछ चीज़ों को डालेंगे नहीं, जस्ट बिकॉज इट we've tried to make this film as real as possible. We've stayed as true to the story as possible because we had such a good story in hand and we all loved it so much. So we've made it in the most honest way.
I might sound a little weird to say this, but then you're not even 10 films old, but then you've taken a quick step to become a producer. So how come you decided to be a producer?
Like I said, actually I can just take it from the answer that I gave him, that the decision was to just इट वॉज नॉट कमिंग कि यार मुझे अभी प्रोड्यूसर बनना है. मेरे दिमाग में ही नहीं था. ये जब फिल्म मेरे पास आई, मैं इस फिल्म ने मेरे अंदर ये भाव निकाला. इट वॉज नॉट लाइक इट वॉज प्री मेडिटेटेड थॉट. सो आई वुड जस्ट से दैट लुक एट इट इन द वे दैट दिस इज हाउ मच आई फील I feel so strongly for this film that I wanted to back it in this way and I wanted to like be a part of it completely, and I think that's the only reason. There is no other reason to take this decision. And आपका जो दूसरा है, जो आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, वही आपको YouTube में भी वही ट्रेलर जाएगा.
और वुमेंस डे भी है, तो ये फिल्म क्या औरतों को जागृत करने के लिए आपने बनवाई है खास तौर पे कि लाइक इसमें मतलब रोना नहीं है, डंडा उठाना है, ऐसा आपने इसमें दिखाया है.
जैसे हम लोग पहले बोल रहे थे कि ये किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस फिल्म. मुझे तभी इस फिल्म में मुझे इतनी पसंद आई है कि ये घटना किसी के साथ भी घट सकती है. इट्स एक्चुअली अबाउट अ पर्सनल स्ट्रगल, द वे आई लुक एट इट. कि कितना आप किसी को पुश करोगे कि वो फाइनली दे डिसाइड टू स्पीक अप, दे डिसाइड टू स्टैंड अप. एंड दैट्स व्हाट द फिल्म इज अबाउट. ये औरतों को भी बहुत पसंद आएगी और मेरे हिसाब से आदमियों को भी बहुत पसंद आएगी, बिकॉज आई थिंक इट्स सेइंग समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी पर्सनल, सो एवरीबॉडी कैन रिलेट टू इट.
6 मार्च को रिलीज हो रही है. जैसे कि आपने कहा कि वुमेंस डे भी है, तो आप देश की बहुत ही बड़ी एक स्टाइल आइकॉन है, नारी शक्ति की एक आइकॉन है आप. मैं आपसे सवाल एक पूछना चाहूँगा और उम्मीद भी करता हूँ कि आप उसका आंसर भी करेंगी. मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ कि हाल ही में एक विवादित शो आयोजित किया गया था जिस पर महिलाओं के प्रति प्रतिरूप को तार कर देने वाले जो जोक्स, कमेंट्स, इशारे किए गए थे, उन पर बॉलीवुड की बहुत ही बड़ी एक्ट्रेस हैं हंसती हुई नजर आई थी. तो मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि इस पर आप क्या प्रतिक्रिया देना चाहेंगे आप?
देखिए, जिस तरह से मैंने उसको देखा था, और हर इंसान का अपना अपना नजरिया होता है, आपका एक है, मेरा किसी और को कुछ और होगा. मुझे ये एक ऐसा, इट वाज इन गुड ह्यूमर अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. इट वाज जस्ट नॉट सपोज्ड टू बी मेंट टू बी टेकन वेरी सीरियसली. दैट्स द वे आई लुक एट इट. एंड just like how this is my opinion, someone else is free to have their own opinion, and that's the beauty of living in a democratic setup.
विराट के ऊपर भी एक मजाक था इसमें, like okay for you.
What is this? Are you guys talking about the AID video?
Yes, yes, yes.
हाँ. I love the way मतलब एकदम हश हश है. It's like, you know, it's अभी taboo है यार, मतलब वो नाम नहीं ले सकते हैं यार. It's damn चूतिया what's going on right now. I honestly feel कि you know what the fuck is going on यार. Our country has so much to offer. There are far greater and more serious issues that are happening around the world, right? Now you're talking about whether this trailer is going to be beeped on YouTube or something. When you start to make something, when a writer writes something, a director wants to, you know, it's art. And I don't know why our country has become so sensitive ke matlab bhenchod nahi keh sakte. You know, but Scorpios can go flying. You know, I just don't, I'm sorry, I just thought I'd get it out there.
देश की हर जो औरत है वो चाहती है उसकी बेटी अनुष्का शर्मा जैसी हो, उसका बेटा अर्जुन कपूर जैसा हो, और हर बहन सोचती है उसका भाई अर्जुन कपूर जैसा हो, बिकॉज उन्होंने देखा है.
यार आप अपनी तरह रहो ना, जैसे आप हो, और अच्छा करो, मत गलत काम मत करो. ठीक है, मत ये, बट डोंट लाइक व्हाट इज सेइंग, बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा बनाया जा रहा है इस इशू को, and it's not needed. There are far more important things that people can be dealing and fighting for at this moment. I don't think this is even like that much of it. So really, like,
and at the moment I think NH10, you know, इतना अच्छा हम सब ने ट्रेलर देखा, we all loved it. अच्छी तारीफें हो रही हैं. उससे जुड़ा अगर पूछ लेते हम लोग, है ना? Yes.
Hi Anushka. My question is, after NH10, will we see you doing, or even in the film, much more action? The next action queen.
In the film we do have action, but like the rest of the film and the nature of the film, it's extremely real. And so it's not like he said, Scorpios are not flying in the air and all. It's just very, very real and organically जो picture में हो रहा है उसी के हिसाब से हो रहा है. But I really enjoyed it. I thoroughly enjoyed it. It was something new for me to do, and I've always, you know, been very happy doing new things, and that's what excites me. So मेरे को तो बड़ा मजा आया. And आपको, I think आपको अलग लगेगा इसका action. It's very real, yeah. It's very organic.
Hi Anushka. Anushka, is choosing NH10 as this, you know, as specifically one place is also, can we assume that it is because of the fact that that place and the surrounding out there has had like numerous cases where people have been robbed and people have been disturbed and abused? Is that why you wanted a place where it would give you like that real touch? Is that why you picked up Delhi and the nearby places in the National Highway?
I don't think so. I think Navdeep will be able to answer this question better because he was a part of the writing process as well.
Well, honestly, it could happen anywhere. NH10, of course, runs through from Delhi and Haryana all the way to Punjab, which in the recent past has had, like you said, a number of incidents. but very honestly, it could happen anywhere. So
it's just coincidental.
Not coincidental. It's a choice, of course. But
you can say it.
And I have said it.
Talking about taboos, you know, I'm not touching upon the subject that we spoke about right now, but you as an actress, you're doing lots of different kinds of movies. We've seen you as a romantic heroine. We've seen you as doing a lot of different kind of roles. But, you know, an actor or an actress doing an out-and-out suspense thriller or an action movie, or even having realistic action sequences is quite, you know, away from the ordinary. We don't see too many actresses still doing that. And you've made this conscious choice. Are you taking that sort of a course in your career? You said you've chosen, you know, it just came to you. But it's still quite different from the way a lot of actresses around would choose to, you know, go forward.
I guess you end up choosing things that appeal to you. I've always chosen films that have appealed to me as a viewer, something that I would like to watch. I want to do things that make me happy. I want to work in films that make me happy. And NH10 is the kind of film that makes me happy, as a viewer and as an actor. And there is absolutely no other reason, or there's no other kind of thought given to it other than this. I read the script, I thought it was awesome. I thought people would think it is awesome, and that's why I decided to do it. I think I've just kept my life very simple. And this is, I guess, just an opportunity for me to be able to present a film that I was so excited to read. I mean, it was, honestly, this was the first time I read a script where I did not even stop at interval, like usually you stop and you take a pee break or something. I swear, like I read it from the beginning to the end. Like that's how I felt, and instantly I was like, man, I want to do this, and I want to work in films where this is what I feel. You know, I read the script and I'm like, yaar, mujhe ye karna hai. I want to do this, and that's what this film did for me.
Anushka, finally, we have the World Cup happening this month. So, would you be going for any of the matches, and would you want to wish Team India? I see a wink.
Do I want to wish Team India? I'll wish them. I have other means of wishing them.
Even
also.
I wish Team India.
Okay, would you be going for any of the matches, Anushka?
No, because we'll be promoting the film. So I'll be here. If I go, you'll see me there.
Good evening. Obviously, my expectations, I must do something very well in the box office. There's no two ways about it. And what was your second question? The budget.
ये फ्री में बनी
Practice.
एक के साथ एक फ्री ये दो वाली है
ऋषिका जी, आप इतने सारे प्रोड्यूसरों के साथ एक क्वीन है और एक हीरोइन है, तो मतलब कैसा महसूस कर रही है? आपके साथ बहुत सारे प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं.
Is he queen?
क्या बात कर रहे हैं
Queen fame.
Because you found your calling. यही है.
It's good to have talented people around me.
तो ऐसे प्रोड्यूसर कैसा महसूस कर रही है आप?
I've always felt good, and especially this movie is so real and honest. And I always believe in making such kind of films. So it is a wake-up call when I read this film. Ki yes, I need to make this film because we all are facing this problem. Everybody is facing this problem. And I would say like we live in India, but actually we can say we have two Indias. One which you and I live, and the other is the forgotten places, and we reach that only through highways. And that's the way I felt when I read the script.
जी, I'm just very happy यार कि लोगों को वहाँ पे भी देखने को मिलेगी हमारी film, and I'm very happy with the overwhelming response that we've got for PK, and it's great that both these films are, it's very nice that our films are reaching out there and we are having such big releases like PK has had in China, and it seems like a very good sign for
Anushka, for a change, Chinese will see something that says made in India.
Okay. One last thing to both the actors यहाँ पे. We saw the trailer. बहुत एक शब्द आपने ट्वीट में यूज किया था, डार्कर. बहुत सारे लोग दे शाई अवे फ्रॉम यूजिंग द वर्ड. आप मेरे को बोलो कुछ इसकी फिल्मिंग के दौरान कुछ ऐसा था जो लगा यार रियल लाइफ में कुछ इम्पैक्ट छोड़ के
बहुत अंधेरा था सच्ची.
वाह नील, इसको शूटिंग के दौरान कुछ लगा, कुछ रियल लाइफ में भी ऐसा झटका सा कि कुछ याद आया हो या कुछ ऐसा था?
Yeah. I was heading
पता था
from.
कुछ होगा.
I was heading from. Where were we shooting then? Gurgaon के आसपास. I was heading back to Delhi, and our driver got into a fight with this truck guy. This truck guy comes down and he takes one lakdi ka danda and beats the windshield. Like this boy must have been 20 years old, the truck driver. So much anger in him, so much rage, and he just wanted to kill this guy over traffic. मतलब अजीब है. So I just feel that, and there's a fair amount of rage in NH10. And when Navdeep, I was talking to him, I'm like, I don't think people are so angry. मतलब इतने भी बुरे भी नहीं है लोग. And now I felt it for myself. This is real, true story, kind of.
We'll have a discussion on this.
Backstage we can do this, right? Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. The entire cast and crew of the movie NH10.
Thank you guys. Thank you for coming. Thank you.
And they made us stand in this circle and with these rods, and I thought they were going to beat us up, and I was like, I was on time, like. But thank you for such a warm welcome. Are you all having? What's that? Oh, thank you. I love you too. I hope you guys are having a good time. Have you shown our song yet or the trailer yet?
Okay, I know that today you're launching Chilga and Enna also, so it's a very, very special day. So before we move on to the film, I think it's a good idea we show them the video, because I've got a sneak preview and I think it's really, really good. Okay, I think I can watch that 100 more times. That was fantastic. But
thank you.
But after watching that, I'm a little scared of you also.
You should be.
But,
I will beat you.
But how does it feel being producer first time?
Thank you. Are you angry? No. Okay.
This guy.
She was like, ah! I'm really happy. I mean, a film like this, when you back a film like this, it's great. I think the response has been. Have you guys seen the trailer? Thank you.
Is that a yes or a what? Come on, Drishti, you can do better than that, yeah.
So see, yeah. So the response has been great. Thanks for watching. And I'm really happy that we could back a film like NH10, because you know there's a story there, and not the kind of films which we're always making in the industry. So we're just trying to follow my conviction, trying to follow my gut feeling. So thanks so much, guys. Thank you for the support. It really means a lot. So I just hope that you guys like the film and I can continue producing. My Bangalorean just came out. Continue doing.
Okay, so I'm going to ask Neil also, when this story came to you, about NH10, what was your first reaction when you saw, this kind of...
I was like, Anushka Sharma, wow. Yeah, give me a story, man. It's going to be Anushka Sharma in the movie, so that's going to be great. But you guys saw the trailer, of course, loved it. And what's the best part about coming to Drishti right now is that Anushka and I have realized that right now we're looking at the future of our Indian cinema. Right here. And there.
And really, you know what? Really have a good time. Like right now, just have the best time, because these are the best years of your life. And nobody told me that when I was in college.
Yeah.
I didn't even finish my education. But don't do that. I wish I could. But anyways, just have fun, man. Just really just follow your hearts and just
have as much fun as you can.
Yeah, and always be safe. But I'm going to ask Neil first. How is Anushka as a co-star?
As a co-star, she's one of us. She's easy, she's calm, she's just one of us, man.
And Anushka, how is Neil as a co-star?
Neil is one of the best actors our country has today. And I feel really fortunate that I could work with him, because when you work with good actors, it has an effect on your own performance. And I've had a great time. He's like a buddy. And I feel like I've known Neil for years. And
where's Sahelis?
I know you came dressed. You dressed also. Your dressing also is coordinated, by the way.
This is not intentional. Neil is wearing my cap.
I am actually. Is it a nice cap?
I thought you're not going to give me any cap.
But I'm going to ask you now. There's something in the movie called the rod that she swings around and is crashing faces and everything. What is the significance about it? And we got you something like a...
Is this a rod or a flute? Is this a wicked?
That looks like a pipe to me. Coming from a sewage or something right now. This is
is that brown color or what is that?
Yes, that is. Neil, this is brown. That's red. That's white.
Why is it here? Oh, a round of applause for the fashion show, guys.
You know what? I just want to quickly put this in. When I was in college, I choreographed a fashion show. So, yeah.
Train me.
I swear I did. So I was trying to from my car, I was peeping out and trying to see the fashion show. There are a lot of people blocking my way. But yeah, I'm just random. I have a habit of randomly saying things. I can stop. I don't just stop.
Yeah, but this thing, NH10, we've seen the locations of the movie and very raw. how difficult was it shooting in such locations out there? Because we heard
This is a serious interview.
no. We heard that dialogue, you know, about the democracy khatam hoti hai, you know. So that's why we were really interested.
Question again?
How difficult was it to shoot there?
It was pretty difficult. There was a lot of dust. There was a lot of heat. We were
without an AC, right?
Yeah, we got a bit screwed actually because we were supposed to shoot a winter story and then we had to shoot it in the summer wearing sweaters. So that was really bad. And you don't want me to talk, no? He's just like, get the beep off the microphone, man.
So what
Can I say beep?
What we're gonna do is, before we show the trailer, in case for anyone who missed it, okay, can I ask all the Drishti guys to come in front here? All the Drishti guys to come in front? Yeah! And we'll take a picture with all of them. We'll take a picture with all of them.
Wait, I want my phone. Where's my phone?
Can we use my phone first, please? Please. We gotta shut down that spotlight. Shut down the spotlight, please. Just say that much.
We scream, we shout. Oh, like that.
One person say it. We scream, we shout. We scream, we shout. We scream, we shout. And cut.
So, final thoughts. We want to know a little bit about NH10. A little bit.
I love you too. Listen, he would have like, I was like.
Anushka was a smart one. But NH10, is that your question?
Yeah,
Oh, that's why we're here as well. Yeah, it's a nice story, man. It's about city life and the rural life coming together, and then what happens from there on. That's what it's about.
Okay, a little bit about NM Drishti and the energy out here. A little bit. And all those fans.
You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for such a warm welcome and just for being so lovely. And we're so glad they could come here. Hey, where are those bopus coming from?
Where's the bopu,
You know, I can tell you, when this was announced, people came and they sat here itself. They haven't moved for a long time waiting to see both of you.
It smells like that. It's great.
But thank you very much for coming. And before you leave, we have a little something that we want to give you from our side with a lot of love. Yeah, please give a huge round of applause for the star cast of NH10, Anushka Sharma and Neil Bhugan.
Thanks, guys.
फिल्म जिन जिन लोगों ने अब तक देखी है ट्वीट कर रहे हैं कि फिल्म बहुत ही अच्छी है, आप बताइए कि फिल्म के बारे में कुछ।
ये हमारे लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है कि सबको फिल्म पसंद आ रही है और फिल्म सच्ची हमने बहुत दिल से बनाई थी। तो वो एक कहावत है कि जो दिल से काम होता है वो दिल तक पहुंचता है, तो शायद ये फिल्म लोगों के दिल तक पहुंचे, उसी के हमें उम्मीद है।
जी आप हैं, अनुष्का शर्मा है, तो कैसा रहा ओवरऑल फिल्म का एक्सपीरियंस? और
इट वॉज वेरी टफ एक्चुअली, शूटिंग इन रियल लोकेशंस और रियल लोकेशन में शूट करना बहुत टफ रहता है हमेशा, सो लेकिन मज़ा बहुत आया।
हमने सुना कि सेंसर बोर्ड ने कुछ डायलॉग्स कुछ कट करने के लिए बोला था कि इन सारे डायलॉग कट कर दिया जाए। मैंने तो फिल्म नहीं देखी, आप बताइए कुछ कि क्या कुछ।
हाँ काफ़ी
चेंजेस आए हैं,
कुछ कट्स हुए हैं, कुछ हमने कर्स वर्ड्स जो हैं उन पर डब किया है उनको, लेकिन मुझे नहीं लगता इससे कुछ हमारे फ़र्क पड़ा है फिल्म को। इट्स सेम थिंग है, फिल्म बहुत रियल है और बहुत ही अलग हट के फिल्म है, सो आप लोगों को पसंद आएगी।
और आज यहाँ पे कौन कौन आ रहा है? अनुष्का आ रही है और आप
जी
और
जी
कौन
नील आ रहे हैं, हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब आ रहे हैं, नवदीप सर, सो सभी अभी यहाँ पहुँचने वाले हैं।
जी बिल्कुल। तो हम एक्सपेक्ट करें कि ये फिल्म भी मतलब कई सारे अप्रिसिएट होगी, क्रिटिक्स को भी पसंद आएगी और कुछ अवार्ड भी मिलेंगे फिल्म को?
वो तो देखिए जूरी के ऊपर है, हमें मेहनत करनी थी, हम मेहनत कर चुके हैं और अभी जनता और आप लोगों के ऊपर है कि आप लोगों को कैसे पसंद आती है। हमें तो उम्मीद है कि हमने बहुत दिल से फिल्म की और दिल से काम किया, तो शायद आप लोगों को पसंद आएगा।
विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक्स। नवदीप जी पहले तो ढेर सारे कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, बहुत सारे अप्रिसिएट मिल रहे हैं, जो भी फिल्म देख रहा है ट्वीट कर रहा है, फिल्म अच्छी है। आप बताइए कि आप मेहनत जो आप लोगों ने की है वो अब रंग ला रही है?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, 1.5-2 साल लगे फिल्म बनाते बनाते और फाइनली मतलब एक फीलिंग आ रही है कि सब कुछ हो गया है और लोगों को अच्छी लग रही है, तो बहुत एक्साइटिंग टाइम है।
जो कुछ वर्ड्स काटे गए थे ऐसा, तो फिल्मों में काटे गए सब कुछ? क्या
कुछ वर्ड्स काटे गए हैं और कुछ उन्होंने अलाउ किए और हाँ, तो कुछ 10-12-14 कट्स थे।
तो अब तक का बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या कुछ मिला है या?
अरे बहुत सारे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिले हैं, एक पर्टिकुलर कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं याद आ रहा, बट बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे कॉम्प्लीमेंट दिए हैं। तो
अनुष्का शर्मा प्रोड्यूसर भी हैं इसमें और एक्टर भी हैं, तो क्या कहना चाहिए उनके लिए आप फिल्म को लेकर?
अनुष्का शर्मा मतलब उनके लिए क्या सॉरी?
प्रोड्यूसर भी हैं और एक्टर भी हैं।
जी
तो क्या कुछ कहेंगे आप?
अरे एज अ एक्टर शी वॉज ब्रिलियंट, एज अ प्रोड्यूसर शी वॉज इवन बेटर। सो एक्टिंग तो आप देख ही लेंगे स्क्रीन पे, सो यू कैन इमेजिन प्रोड्यूसर कितनी अच्छी थी।
थैंक यू, विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट। क्या कुछ कहेंगे? फिल्म बहुत ही अप्रिशिएट किया जा रहा है, जो भी फिल्म देख रहा है वो ट्वीट कर रहा है कि फिल्म बहुत अच्छी है।
राइट,
आप बताइए।
क्योंकि फिल्म अच्छी है। नवदीप सिंह ने जैसे बनाया है वो काफ़ी स्किल्ड है एज अ डायरेक्टर, और मैं काफ़ी एक्चुअली थैंकफुल हूँ क्योंकि इस प्रोजेक्ट मेरे लिए बहुत ही अहम है, टू बी वर्किंग विद अनुष्का शर्मा, नवदीप सिंह, फैंटम प्रोडक्शंस, सो आई एम जस्ट हैप्पी। या
बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट जो अब तक का कुछ मिला हो
अभी? दैट्स अ ग्रेट फिल्म, बट आई थिंक शायद कल थोड़े और कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स आ जाएंगे।
अनुष्का शर्मा प्रोड्यूसर भी हैं, एक्टिंग भी किया, तो उनके लिए कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
आई लव अनुष्का शर्मा, शी इज़ द बेस्ट, शी इज़ माय फेवरेट एक्चुअली। थैंक्स अ लॉट।
अनुष्का, दिस वंस फॉर यू. एज एन एक्टर यू वर सुपर्ब. इसमें बहुत सारी मेहनत दिख रहा है कि गई है, बहुत बहुत कड़ी मेहनत. एज अ प्रोड्यूसर बैक एंड में कितना गया और व्हाट वाज मोर डिफिकल्ट, अनुष्का शर्मा द प्रोड्यूसर और द एक्टर?
ऑनेस्टली मैं डिफ्रेंशिएट नहीं कर पाऊंगी बिकॉज ये जैसी फिल्म ये है उसमें जो फैक्ट दैट आई वांट टू बी इन्वॉल्व विद द फिल्म maximum and completely be a part of it 100% was the reason behind deciding to be a producer on a film like this, a content driven film like this, and it gives me a lot of happiness that I could have done that through a film like this. I mean, it's a real blessing. So I can't differentiate कब क्या मेरे को तो लगा था मैं बस काम कर रही हूँ, पूरी मजे में काम कर रही हूँ, yes, but when I started shooting the film I wanted to kind of at that moment I couldn't be thinking about it, but that didn't have to. We had some wonderful co-producers, all of them. So they said चल अपना काम कर.
दो फीमेल प्रोड्यूसर्स, ऐसा मतलब कितना परेशान किया आपको इन लोगों ने? किया थोड़ा बहुत?
Yeah, there was a fair amount of sharing of seats.
Any comment?
No. But the only thing in my opinion is that when there's so many minds, so many creative minds also involved, then decision making sometimes takes a little longer. But fortunately I was no decision maker. I just had to take instructions from Navdeep, so it was great.
नवदीप साहब, मेरे को ब्रेक करने को बोला है. नवदीप साहब, आप मुझे बताएं, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्रेव अटेम्प्ट है ये एकदम यहाँ पे, और नारी शक्ति की लोग बहुत सारी बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. सो इज इट ओनली अबाउट नारी शक्ति जो अनुष्का दिखाएंगी वहाँ पे?
नहीं, not at all. I think it's about any human being, whether it's a man or a woman or a child or anything. It's about resilience in a person.
No, exactly what Navdeep said. It's not exactly for women. It can happen to anyone in our life, which when we go through such situation. So I would say like I have explored a lot of other films. I've never explored this thriller. I've done rom-coms, I've done Spice of Life, animation.
Right.
But this is something which had a lot of honesty, realistic, and which I felt I had to make this movie.
Superb. The trailer is amazing. एक आखिरी सवाल, दोनों यहाँ पे जो फिल्म मेकर्स हैं हमारे, मिस्टर मोटवानी एंड ऑफ कोर्स मिस्टर बहल, आप दोनों का बीच में कभी मन किया कि यार हम लोग डायरेक्ट कर लेते हैं, मतलब बीइंग द प्रोड्यूसर, है ना? अभी हो गया, हम लोग को भी मौका मिलना चाहिए.
ये जो नवदीप ने बनाया है हमारे बस का ही नहीं है. He's done a fab job, so I don't think we could have made this film without him. But हाँ, वो कुछ 5-6 टेक्स हैं जो मैं सोच रहा था.
विक्रम, आपको था कुछ ऐसा?
The first time I read the script, the immediate reaction, I mean, when you like a script a lot, लगता है ना कि यार ये मैं ही कर दूँ, मतलब always you feel that. But I think it was a fantastic script. Sudeep Sharma was the writer, was actually not here today. He's the reason probably that we all here in the first place. It's a fantastic screenplay. We loved it the moment we read it. Right. यार ये पिक्चर करनी है. जर्नी काफी थी, करते 2 साल लग गए थिंक बनाते, बट वी लव द फिल्म.
यहाँ देख के आप सबको हैप्पी जर्नी वाली फीलिंग आ रही है, so सबको यहाँ हैप्पी कर देते हैं. इट्स ओवर.
मैं आपसे सवाल एक पूछना चाहूँगा और उम्मीद भी करता हूँ कि आप उसका आंसर भी करेंगी. मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ कि हाल ही में एक विवादित शो आयोजित किया गया था जिस पर महिलाओं के प्रति प्रतिरूप को तार कर देने वाले जो जोक्स, कमेंट्स, इशारे किए गए थे, उन पर बॉलीवुड की बहुत ही बड़ी एक्ट्रेस हैं हंसती हुई नजर आई थी. तो मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि इस पर आप क्या प्रतिक्रिया देना चाहेंगे आप?
देखिए, जिस तरह से मैंने इसको देखा था, और हर इंसान का अपना अपना नजरिया होता है, आपका कि मेरा किसी और को कुछ और होगा. मुझे ये एक ऐसा, इट वाज इन गुड ह्यूमर अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. इट वाज जस्ट नॉट सपोज्ड टू बी मेंट टू बी टेकन वेरी सीरियसली. दैट्स द वे आई लुक एट इट. Just like how this is my opinion, someone else is free to have their own opinion, and that's the beauty of living in a democratic setup.
विराट के ऊपर भी मजाक था इसमें. Like, okay for you.
What is this? Are you guys talking about the AID video?
Yes.
हाँ. I love the way मतलब एकदम हंस है. It's like, it's अभी taboo है यार, मतलब वो नाम ही नहीं ले सकते हैं यार. It's damn चूतिया what's going on right now. I honestly feel कि what the fuck is going on यार. Our country has so much to offer. There are far greater and more serious issues that are happening around the world, right? Now you're talking about whether this trailer is going to be beeped on YouTube or something. When you start to make something, when a writer writes something, a director wants to, it's art. And I don't know why our country has become so sensitive के मतलब बहनचोद नहीं कह सकते, you know, but Scorpios can go flying. You know, I just don't. I'm sorry. I just thought I'd get it out there.
देश की हर जो औरत है वो चाहती है उसकी बेटी अनुष्का शर्मा जैसी हो, उसका बेटा अर्जुन कपूर जैसा हो, और हर बहन सोचती है उसका भाई अर्जुन कपूर जैसा हो, बिकॉज उन्होंने देखा है।
यार आप अपनी तरह रहो ना, जैसे आप हो, और अच्छा करो, मत गलत काम मत करो, ठीक है? मत ये बट डोंट लाइक व्हाट इज सेइंग, बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा बनाया जा रहा है इस इशू को, and it's not needed. There are far more important things that people can be dealing and fighting for at this moment. I don't think this is even like that much of it. So really, like,